Gold, XAUUSD, showing a short-term technical setup. Here's a quick analysis based on the indicators visible. Key observations. Current price, around 3309.39. Moving averages. EMA 20, yellow. 3305.43. Price is currently above this level, indicating short-term bullish momentum. EMA 200, pink. $3301.50. Price is also above this longer-term average, signaling a broader uptrend. Adaptive moving averages, turquoise and red, also trending upward and supportive of bullish bias. RSI, Relative Strength Index, 5630, neutral to mildly bullish, not overbought, room to move higher. Price action. Small bullish candles forming higher lows. Recent bounce from support near 3300, round number in EMA 200. Potential consolidation breakout zone near 3310, 3312. Strategy suggestion. If you're looking to trade this setup, long bias. A breakout above $3312 could trigger a short-term rally. Entry. Above $3312 with confirmation, strong candle close. Target. Next resistance area near 3,325, 3,330. Stop loss. Below $3,300 or the 200 EMA 3298 area.